Corticosteroids in farm animal practice. Two types of corticosteroids: glucocorticoids, mineralocorticoids. Glucocorticosteroids. Glucocorticosteroids are derived from the adrenal cortex, have pleiotropic metabolic effects on numerous cells and tissues throughout the body. Used as an anti-inflammatory and immunosuppressive effect, glucocorticoid binds to intracytoplasmic steroid receptors. The first glucocorticoid of clinical interest were cortisone, hydrocortisone, prednisolone. In general, prednisone and prednisolone are from 3 to 5 times more effective than cortisone or hydrocortisone, have eosinophil and lymphocyte suppressive actions. The effect on the electrolytes balance are slightly less than those of cortisone or hydrocortisone. Metabolic effects. Major metabolic effects: gluconeogenesis, increased hepatic storage of the glucogens by enhancing gluconeogenesis in extrahepatic tissues. Glucocorticoids reduce the uptake and utilization of glucose, reduce tissue protein synthesis and increase protein catabolism. Lipolysis, mobilization of fatty acids and redistribution of fat, particularly to the liver. Other metabolic effects: reduce intestinal absorption, enhance secretion of the gastric acid, cutaneous atrophy, the antagonism of release or effect of antidiuretic hormones, reduce productions and alternative nature of the gastric mucus, inhibitions of chondrocyte growth, increased tissue mobilization of calcium that may lead to osteoporosis and soft tissue mineralizations. Increased level of glucocorticoid cause reduced production of CRH and ACTH via the negative feedback loop of the hypothalamic pituitary axis, depress the production of PST, the production of other pituitary hormones, prolactins, LH, FHS is also suppressed by glucocorticoids. Mineralocorticoids mainly act on the kidney, enhance the resorptions of the sodium and chloride ions. The mechanism of the action involves the synthesis of protein in the target cells, perhaps the sodium carrier itself. Anti-inflammatory effects, though regulating the inflammatory response when no longer required. Glucocorticoids are analgesic to capillary blood flow and vasodilatations, vasoproliferations, platelet aggregations, fibrin depositions, fibroblast proliferations and formation of collagen. Glucocorticoids suppress the inflammatory function of the leukocytes. This process is done by stabilizing the membranes of these cells. Glucocorticoids prevent the release of inflammatory mediators, histamine, arachidonic acids, metabolites of both the cyclooxygenase and lipocyclogenase pathway. They inhibit particular metabolic pathway productions of pro-inflammatory cytokines, interleukin-1, interleukin-6, human necrotic factor alpha. Glucocorticoid drugs: cortisone, hydrocortisone, prednisolone, methylprednisolone, dexamethasone, betamethasone, flumethasone, trimanolone. Glucocorticoid down regulation express of the Fc receptors on the macrophages. It helps to decrease in phagocytosis of the opsonized particles. Duration of actions of glucocorticoid: cortisone short acting, hydrocortisone short acting, prednisolone intermediate, methylprednisolone intermediate, triamcinolone intermediate, flumethazone long-acting, dexamethasone long-acting, betamethasone long-acting. Comparative steroid potentials. Effect on immune mechanisms. Glucocorticoid mediates immune suppression by influencing several stages of the immune response. The downregulation of the macrophage function inhibit antigen processing and presentation, can directly suppress of the T lymphocytes and the cell-mediated immune effects that they mediate. Common clinical applications: inflammatory diseases, immune-mediated diseases, neoplastic diseases, adjuvant therapy in hypoadrenocortisone, management of acute anaphylactic shock, asthma, trauma of the central nervous system. Dexamethasone, a synthetic analog of the prednisolone, having more potent anti-inflammatory therapeutic effects, has diversified hormones and metabolic effects. Dexamethasone has approximately 20 times the anti-inflammatory activity of the prednisolones. Anti-inflammatory effects are complex, primarily via inhibitions of inflammatory cells and suppression of expression of inflammatory mediators. Indications: bovine ketosis, induction of parturition, allergic reactions, dermatologic conditions for acute metritis. In horses, dexamethasone has been used to treat recurrent airway obstructions. Dosage: 0.4 to 0.15 mg per kilogram per day, IV or intramuscular. Induction of parturitions: 0.05 mg per kilogram to 5 mg per animals. Contraindications: chronic nephritis, congestive heart failure, diabetes, osteoporosis, pregnant animals. Adverse reactions and side effects: polyphagia, polydipsia, polyuria, hypothalamic pituitary adrenaline axis suppression, GI ulcerations, hepatopathy, diabetes, hypolipidemia, decreased thyroid hormones, decreased protein synthesis, decreased wound healing, immunosuppressions. Betamethasone is very similar drug to dexamethasone, so it is used for similar indications. Adverse effect also similar to dexamethasone. Dosage for cattle and other large animals: 0.05 to 0.1 mg per kilogram. Once a day, intramuscular for oral. Most of the time, betamethasone used for ophthalmic preparation. It will reduce inflammatory opacity of the eye and reduce the fibrosis. Prednisolones: 1/7 as potent as dexamethasone. Use prednisolone cautiously in patients with renal disease. Dosage for cattle. Treatment of ketosis: 100 to 200 mg total dosage IV. Methylprednisolone sodium succinate, mainly used for the spinal cord injuries. It will inhibit the inflammatory procedure on the spinal cord. Then damage get minimized due to inflammations, but should given within 8 hours after injury. Mainly used on horses. Thank you very much for watching my videos.